Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shramina Das. I make videos about higher education and jobs abroad. So if this is something that interests you, then do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about the most easiest way of moving to Germany without job that has been introduced in 2024. Yes, I think you guessed it right. I'm talking about Chancenkarte or Opportunity Card. I'm also going to share a secret website that has been introduced only for those who will be coming or who will be applying via Chancenkarte. So stay tuned until the end of the video. Now, without any further delay, let's get started. So, I will be discussing what is Chancenkarte, what are the benefits, eligibility criteria, how the points will be calculated, how can you check whether you are eligible for Chancenkarte or not, and at the last, the secret website where you can actually get a lot of info about Chancenkarte, and also if you are planning to come and search for jobs in Germany. So, first and foremost, what is Chancenkarte or Opportunity Card? Chancenkarte or Opportunity Card is a point-based system that has been introduced by German government to encourage more and more skilled labor to come to Germany and settle down without any hassle. It's just like Canada. Second, what are the benefits of Chancenkarte? So the first thing is that it is one of the easiest process and a fast process to come to Germany. With Chancenkarte, you can actually secure a good and standard livelihood. Third, previously when you want to come to Germany, you actually need a offer letter if you are not planning to come here on a student visa. But now, not anymore. You can come here to Germany and stay here for 12 months and search for jobs. So you do not need any offer or any job contract to come to Germany now. Fourth, previously when you have to come to Germany, your degrees should get recognized. But now with the Chancenkarte, you don't have, it's not necessary that your degree or your university should get recognized via ANABIN. Next, there is a huge possibility of get permanent residence in Germany. You'll get immediate work permit once you have acquired a job after coming to Germany via Chancenkarte. With Opportunity Card, you actually have the chance or choice to have a 2-week trial period, and also you can work part-time like 20 hours per week when you are looking for a full-time job. Previously, if you are coming on a job seeker visa, these are some of the opportunities that you don't have. You cannot do a part-time job on job seeker visa, but now you can, and I think this is one of the very good and plus point if you are coming on Chancenkarte. Also, an extension will be possible after 12 months if you can give a valid reason that why you could not find a job. And this extension will be up to 2 years. So, I mean, you can actually stay in Germany for 3 years. I mean, that's great. So, if you are already hung up to this time or this point of time in my video, then do not forget to like, share and subscribe. And also follow me on Instagram for more such updates. नेक्स्ट व्हाट आर द रिक्वायरमेंट्स फॉर द अपॉर्चुनिटी कार्ड. तो जैसे मैंने पहले ही बताया था कि अपॉर्चुनिटी कार्ड इज अ पॉइंट बेस्ड सिस्टम. सो देयर आर 2 टाइप्स ऑफ रिक्वायरमेंट. वन, दैट आर द बेसिक रिक्वायरमेंट्स जो आपको होना ही है, एंड द सेकंड आर द पॉइंट बेस्ड रिक्वायरमेंट्स. लाइक इफ यू हैव दोज thing or if you have those conditions met, you will get points. So let's start first with the basic requirements. The first basic requirement to get the opportunity card is either you should know German or you should have the German level of proficiency of A1, or you should have an English level of proficiency up to B2, as well as 2 years of vocational training or a university degree. Now, if you want to actually show a A1 level of German proficiency, it's not like you have done a training from any XYZ institute and you will show them. No, you actually have to do it either from Gothe, especially the exam that needs to be given either from Gothe, Telk or those kind of recognized institute. I will put the link in the description. You can check which are the institutes that are authorized to give you that certificate. Second, if you want to have a English proficiency of B2, you can either give IELTS or TOEFL to show or to prove your English proficiency up to B2. Now, university degree, it's pretty evident that you either need to have a bachelor's degree or a master's degree, and you can show your degree certificate. Vocational training, maybe you have done some kind of internship or you are doing a job, then you can give your experience letter, which will be added as a vocational training. With addition to it, you must have a financial security, which is again like a 11,200 euros will be in your blocked account, or you can show that you will be doing a part-time job of 20 hours per week, which will be also like a financial security while you will be in Germany, and you will be staying here for 12 months. So government don't have to take your pressure or your liability, so you will be coming with your own money. That we all come when we are coming on a student visa. We all need to show that blocked account amount, that is 11,200 euro. So it will be the same case if you are coming on Chancenkarte as well. Now let's come to the point based criteria. So here is the screenshot where you can see that what are the points or how many points you will get for each of the criteria you will meet. First one, like you will get actually 4 points for partial recognition of your foreign educational degree or for permission to practice a regulated profession like nurse, educator, teacher. This is very, very rare and very few applicants will meet this criteria. Now, second, 3 points will be awarded if you have 5 years of professional work experience in the last 7 years. Also, you will get 3 points if you can show that you have a German language proficiency up to B2. You will also get 2 points if you can show that you have 2 years of professional work experience or vocational training in the last 5 years. If you are not older than 35 years, then you will also get 2 points. And if you can show them that your German language proficiency is up to B1, not B2, B1, then also you will get 2 points. If your German language proficiency is B2, then 3. If your German language proficiency is B1, then it's 2 points. There is also 1 point you will get if you can show them an English proficiency of C1, that is IELTS 7, then you will get 1 point. So you have understood कि कैसे points create करने हैं, कैसे points बनाने हैं. So minimum आपको 6 points चाहिए. You will be needing 6 points to qualify for Chancenkarte, and anything above that is always a plus. Now let's talk about the secret website that German government has launched only for those who are planning to apply for Chancenkarte. So आपको आपकी screen में दिख रहा होगा, this is the website that I am talking about. That has been curated by the German government only for those who are planning to come through Chancenkarte. In this website, you will get all the authentic information about how you need to apply, where you need to apply, when you can apply, what are the points, and you can also check here whether you are eligible for the Chancenkarte or not and how much you will be getting. Also check how many points you can get if you are planning to apply for Chancenkarte. Suppose I got 8 points in Chancenkarte if I'm planning to apply and I'm eligible for that. So similarly, you can also check. So this is the site, or this is the area where you can go and check whether you are eligible or not. And not only that, German government has also launched a similar job portal in the same website only for those who are planning to come and apply for jobs via Chancenkarte or Opprtunitycard. So this has not been launched yet, but going to launch soon. So you can register here for early access. So employers can also register. Those who are looking for jobs can also register. So tons of jobs will be coming here only for those who are coming through and via Chancenkarte. So do not miss that chance and register yourself now. Let me know in the comment section if you have any more question on the same. And if you like this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. And that's all. Stay happy, stay blessed. Bye-bye.